Well, guys, we're out here on the boat on this absolutely beautiful morning, late afternoon, and it had just finished raining, and there was fish surfacing all over the place out here. So it's finally cold enough. It's finally warm enough that all these little bait fish are coming here. Which, when there's bait fish, that means there's big fish. We're gonna be trying to catch some big crappies today. We're hooked up. Ice rough. This one comes off right now. Yeah, it's a crappie.
Big enough or no?
Nope. Tiny.
Did you go deeper or no?
Yeah. No, I did not.
Oh.
Crappie. So yeah, we're just using crappie minnows for bait. They work real good, especially on this time. Alex!
Oh. Get that. Get it.
It's the bobber's floating. You just let it just slide into the lake. What did you do to your fish?
My hands were wet.
Okay. Grab the bobber. Grab the bobber. And pull the rod. There you go.
Delete that footage.
Oh no, that is one of a kind footage right there.
That was an accident. Oopsies.
No.
Happens to everybody, right?
Keep set.
Look at I'm wet now because I went in the water. I would have jumped in for that.
After my brother's fishing pole.
I know, if it was mine, I wouldn't care. Especially when it's not mine.
Another crappie.
Just a little fishing opener bait. Fishing opener bait. Like, come on.
Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. Look at how cute he is. Oh, he's so cute.
Crappies. Keepers. Got one.
Yeah. Wait, on the spikeback
minnow.
Northern spikeback minnow, right off the bat like that.
And the biggest
Look
one
at
we
that.
have.
Come on, bring it in here.
On the
Look at that. Double. Ooh, yours is
mine is fat.
I like
is it
that
a girl
color. It's all
or-
yellow. Alex is all yellow. That's Look at that.
Camera.
Ooh, this guy's actually pretty decent. Look at that one. That one's not that bad. Yeah. We got a fish. He's on the run. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, actually, he's not that good. Probably not. That guy, mildly sized.
That's an own size fish.
Oh, he's on the run. I didn't even have my bobber down. It was just running with it. That's a good fish too.
The keeper.
Maybe.
Oh.
Look at that one. That one's actually a pretty good one.
Oh, open that hat.
Messing around when at the time. Now look back. The bobber's down. That guy. That's not bad. Hey guys, we had a ton of fun out here and we caught a whole bunch of crappies just using these plain old crappie minnows. So like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.